Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to introduce a fan collector, and it's right behind this, it's right in front of my camera, but right behind Andrew's camera. This is Andrew. He does not like spinners. Wait a minute. Then why the frick is there a spinner right here?
It's an industrial.
But industrials are still spinners. Anyway, this is a 40-inch Dayton Lasko ceiling fan. There are some people out there that will say that this is 36-inch. Well, you're wrong, sir, because these are 40-inch. Anyway, this has the tape thing in it. It tells you what speed it is. It's currently set to speed 0. And the pull cord is still here, as you can see. So we're going to start up on speed 1, which is low. These are 3-speed fans, by the way. And I'm just going to say this, these are not as good as that thing right there.
He is pointing at the Heat fan.
At a Heat fan. And then right behind it, at least from my camera view, is a Disney original. Which I said I hated, but it's actually starting to grow on me.
Why do you hate it?
Because it's blue. But anyway.
This one came from Geoff. I paid $60 for it. And it came from
a warehouse.
Yeah, a warehouse in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Milwaukee's a beautiful city for those who didn't know that. Here's speed 2, which is medium. This fan is pretty loud, but I don't think anybody really cared because it was in a warehouse.
And loud industrials are expected because who really cares? It's an industrial environment.
So there's other noises happening.
Yeah.
Here's high. For how cheap this fan is, it's actually pretty powerful.
These are not that cheap.
Well, for a plastic motor at least.
Yeah, the bottom shell's plastic.
But the blades are metal.
Top of the motor is also metal.
I'll do that after spinning them, but there's the 0 on the tape.
My mom thinks this looks like a plunger.
It kind of does now that I look at it for a while. But I really love that Disney original, just so you know.
This fan has some bearing issues, but it's fine.
So that's going to do it for my video. Thank you for watching.
And I'm going to show you the
tape.
Yeah. So there it is.
Here's what it looks like when it runs.
And now I'm going to take this cover off and show you.
This is something I actually forgot to show in my video, but here's the inside of it.
Yep. This is the later version. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.